Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting inside the Snapchat app. Tap your avatar in the top left, then the gear icon to open settings. Once done, scroll to the security or login section. That area groups active sessions and device management. You do this now because it's the quickest path to current login details. Make sure you're using the account in question, and if you use multiple accounts, switch before continuing, since you'll only see sessions for the active account. Once inside the login or security area, tap the option labeled something like where you're logged in to load active sessions. You'll see device types, rough locations, and last active times so you can judge legitimacy. If a session looks wrong, tap it and choose Sign Out or Remove. That immediately revokes that session's access. You do this to stop unwanted access quickly and to collect details you might need if you change your password or report suspicious activity. After removing unfamiliar sessions, change your password and enable two-step verification to prevent repeat access. This is crucial because signing devices out alone won't stop someone with your credentials. You can also use a sign out of all devices control if available, then sign back in on trusted devices. If session info looks incorrect or is missing, update the app, restart your device, and retry if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.